Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Vanguard for Valorant. So maybe if you have any issues with it and you wish to reinstall it or install it, maybe it's missing, then here's how. So first up, you open up your settings, you go to apps, you go to installed apps, and in here in the search, type in Vanguard. If you haven't installed, uninstall it. Then the next step is going to be open up your start menu. Press CMD, run as admin, and in here I will show you which commands you need to put in. So the first one is sc delete vgc, like that, and press enter. And then you bring it up again by pressing on the up arrow, or you can just do it like this, and also type in vgk, same command, just the one letter changes, and then also press enter. This effectively stops and deletes the entries for the services that are on your system. And then you just open up your Riot launcher, and then you just install your game like nothing happened, and your Vanguard will be installed along with the game. That's it. Pretty easy fix. If this helped, like and subscribe.